This HIKVISION EKI-K41T44 4-channel network video recorder kit delivers a straightforward way to build a reliable home or small business surveillance system. The included 4-megapixel outdoor turret cameras provide sharp detail that makes it easier to recognize faces, license plates, and other important features. Each camera uses a 2.8mm fixed lens that captures a wide field of view, so a single unit can cover a large portion of a driveway, yard, or storefront. The system supports 4K recording through the network video recorder, giving you very clear playback when you need to review footage closely. Power and data are carried over standard RJ45 connections, which simplifies installation and keeps cable runs tidy compared with separate power adapters. As a kit from HIKVISION's United States original line, it benefits from mature firmware, broad compatibility with viewing apps, and long-term parts availability.